Mrs. Derrick Jaxn is out here selling y'all $7,000 a month classes of hope while she is currently allegedly stalking Derrick's new side piece, girlfriend, whatever. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, it's Jovi, and welcome back to my channel. So, we're talking about Derrick Jaxn today, okay? Miss, pay me $7,000 a month in two payments, okay? Of 3,500 to tell you how to get over your cheating husband, but she has not gotten over hers, okay? We have watched Danae out here and about taking all of these pretty pictures, getting her hair done, okay, getting her face done. And I've been saying for a while that I think all of this is for Derrick's attention. That's my opinion, and I'm sticking to it, okay? It's all to get Derrick's attention, in my opinion. She done told us during her interview on that podcast that this is just what she do, okay? She work hard for that man's attention. So I am not surprised when during the week or 2-3 weeks after she dropped her courses and she's out here trying to be glamorous and showing us and really Derrick how pretty she really is, that she is low-key, underhandedly, sideways harassing Derrick's new girlfriend Pinky. Now, if you don't know, Tasha K told us all about Pinky um a couple of months ago, really a couple of months ago. So apparently this girl Pinky and Derrick have been together for a freaking while, okay? They've been together for a while, and Miss Bonnet of Honor is harassing Pinky, the girl, because she wants her husband back. At the end of the day, she wants her husband back. So instead of dealing with Derrick, as always, and dealing with, he's not good for you and you need to be worried about yourself, what she's actually pretending to be doing, not actually what she's doing, okay? I said what I said. She's doing all of this and underhandedly like harassing this girl. I want to read this. I took a screenshot of Pinky's recent post, okay? She made this post like an hour ago. She said, as a woman, I know healing isn't easy, but being in this one-way competition with me isn't going to help. The shade, girl, the shade. Anyway, I didn't meet or even talk to your estranged husband until months after he filed for divorce from you. But you're still on social media bullying and harassing me every chance you get. I didn't steal anything from you, and even if I did, your anger would be displaced. That marriage was between y'all, and same goes for your divorce. Tagging me isn't going to bring him back to you. It really isn't, boo. It really. She continues on to say, your pictures are beautiful, but your spirit isn't. Oh, shit. Okay, this religion-themed smear campaign isn't fooling anyone. It really isn't, sis. It really isn't. Okay, get some help and maybe better friends who will keep it real with you and that this isn't a good look, sweetie. If you're really healing, the only thing on your mind should be your beautiful children and your walk with God, not me. P.S. to anyone else who may be seeking a relationship with God, don't let this discourage you. Real Christians don't act like this. And then she tagged the Shade Room, some spiritual world, and of all people, Tasha freaking K. Cause why? I'm not doing it with you, boo. That's basically what she's saying. She's like, you know what? I am not doing it with you at all. Okay. And then she posted a screenshot of Danae posting about her. She posted the screenshot in her hold on. She posted the screenshot in her stories. The screenshot said, nah. The screenshot was from Danae. I believe this is Facebook. It says, hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? Tag Pinky Love. I'm trying to preach something. Child, why you doing that? You so ghetto, but okay. She said, while I wait. And then she put the clock. Turn to Samuel's 1, chapter 30. When David, then she put Danae in quotations. This girl is crazy. Wife's husband, then she put, this is too much, were captured by, okay, the moment was great distress. Then he said, went to the Lord and say, Lord, shall I pursue the raiding Pinky Love? Oh my Lord, we will overtake them. This is off. I don't even want to, I'm not even reading this because this is another one of her curses that she likes to put on people who are undeserving. Now listen, did that girl steal, was that girl dating her husband? Yes. Did she steal her husband? No, because your husband was not yours to begin with. He told you in every part of his behavior and his actions that he didn't want you. Currently, for you to be still tagging this girl and talking about her and trying to put her, put her into your biblical stories like she is like I don't know, like it is insanity. Okay, it is not a good look. It is desperate and it is pathetic. And even if you wanted to get your husband back, girls, ladies, please, this is not how you behave. You do not give off desperation. Desperation, ma'am, ain't it. The one who's winning is the hoe because she don't even care. Okay? Your man don't care about no Christian Bible and all of these scriptures you keep throwing at him. He don't care. How the audacity of Danae to be selling a $7,000 a month course about getting over your husband and being healed. So yeah, guys, thank you for listening. Please drop your comments, your opinions down in the comment section because I really need to know. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this video. And as always, I hope you live your life like it's golden because there's no other way to live it.